Your iPhone can save your life in an emergency, but only if this is turned on. If someone finds your phone during an emergency, they can instantly contact your family or friends directly from your lock screen. Let's see how to turn on. First, open the setting on your iPhone. Then scroll down and find Emergency SOS and tap on. Then scroll down and find Set up emergency contacts in Health. Then tap on Create Medical ID. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Tap the plus icon, Add Emergency Contact. Choose the person you want as your emergency contact. Now select the relationship like mother, father, brother, or friend. Make sure Show When Locked is turned on. Then tap Done. Now anyone can access your emergency contact directly from your iPhone lock screen during an emergency. Follow for more iPhone tips and hidden features.